Hello InfoComm 2026. This is Merrick Adrianson, CTO of the ReveLux group. And behind me at our booth, I want to be able to show you our newest product. This is at booth N6933. And the product that you see in the middle here is our Perform 1.56 product. We have had this product for a couple of years, but now is the extreme version. And what the extreme version does is it takes the scanning rate from 1/18 to 1/6. So very low scan rate for the absolute highest in refresh rates and for camera appearances. So this does 7680 at 16 bits, and we're able to go up to 251 Hertz. It uses advanced driver chip technology to be able to get this low scan rate. And this is perfect for studio applications where you do not want to have scan line issues, as well as have the absolute best in LED processing. So come check us out and take a look at a lot of different products that are made for different marketplaces in the LED marketplace. So we look forward to seeing you. Again, my name is Merrick Adrianson. We're at booth N6933. And come and check us out also on the website if you can't make it today. It's www.d3led.com or www.revluxgroup.com. Have a great day.